The Imarku frying pan 12-inch naan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. This makes cooking and cleaning much easier. Food slides right off, and washing up is a breeze. You won't spend ages scrubbing stuck-on bits. The honeycomb design helps with even cooking. Oil spreads nicely, and hot spots are less likely. This means your food cooks more uniformly. This imarku frying pan 12-inch naan is also made of cast iron. Cast iron is known for holding heat well. It can get very hot and stay hot. This is excellent for searing meats and getting a nice crust. The 12-inch size is quite large. It's perfect for cooking meals for the whole family. You can fry chicken, sauté vegetables, and even make big omelets. Leftovers can easily be reheated in this pan too. The imarku frying pan 12-inch naan has a stay cool wood handle. This is a fantastic feature. The handle stays cool to the touch while you're cooking on the stovetop. You won't need to worry about burning your wrist. The pan is also oven safe. This adds to its versatility. You can start cooking on the stove and then transfer it to the oven to finish. The dimensions of the pan are well suited for most stovetops and ovens. It's a kitchen basics item that combines the durability of cast iron with the convenience of non-stick. You can even put it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup, although hand washing with a soft towel is often recommended to keep it in top shape. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: cast iron build, large 12-inch size, dishwasher safe, oven safe, stay cool handle, wood handle, durable, even heating, less oil needed, easy to clean. Cons: non-stick coating, durability concerns, uneven heating, coating not specified, handle may loosen, not fully non-stick. Potential for bowing, hand wash only. Features: 12-inch, non-stick, honeycomb, cast iron, large, dishwasher safe, oven safe, kitchen pans. Stay cool wood handle. Frying pan. The imarku 12-inch frying pan is made with cast iron and has a special non-stick surface with a honeycomb pattern, so food doesn't stick easily. It's a big pan, safe to wash in the dishwasher, and can also be used in the oven. The handle stays cool and is made of wood, making it easy and safe to hold while you cook. This 12-inch imarku frying pan is built with cast iron and has a non-stick honeycomb surface that may help with even heating and using less oil. It's described as large and durable, suitable for various cooking methods, and safe for dishwashers and ovens. The pan features a stay cool wood handle. However, some users have reported concerns about long-term non-stick performance, potential for uneven heating or bowing, and the handle possibly loosening over time. While advertised as non-stick, some suggest it might not be entirely so, and hand washing is sometimes recommended.